Welcome to this channel IBM classes. Today we will going to discuss how we can use runtime array in AS400. So I coded an example here. So let's discuss this example right now. So let's see this example. Here uh, we have taken an array of length 10, means it holds 10 elements in this variable array variable of 10 character variables. Again, I took an index which is for incrementing that uh, array elements. So I initialize this index as 1 here, then I started the loop which will be executed till index is less than equal to 10. So it will be executed 10 times. Now inside this so for the first iteration it will array will be having uh, array will be having on this value test, then index 1 means test 1 on this array. First index means first element will be test 1 on this array variable, then again it will display this array index here, then index will be incremented by 1. So then again the index becomes 2, and then this loop, this will come the point. So we come here, so it will check if index is less than equal to 10, and it will again go inside this loop and process this loop. So it will do it 10 times as per this condition. So this is the basic example of a runtime array. So in this case array will be having the dynamic value always and not the preloaded values. Let's compile this program and see how it's working. Compile this program. Debugging GPU star source so that we can debug this. Add a breakpoint at position 1. Come out of this and call this program that is called array. We can see index is currently 0. Now after execution of this line it will be 1. You can see that array is holding nothing right now, and it's 10 positions from starting from 1. Now since 1 is less than equal to 10, so this will go inside this loop and fill this array's first location with test 1, and then it will display the same display test 1. Index will be incremented by 1 and it becomes 2. Now again it will check this loop. If 2 is less than equal to 1, yes, this condition satisfies, and this will again enter the loop, and now it will test fill this array with test 2 and test 3 on the second and third position. So it will fill till 10th position with test 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 till 10th. So you can see this. We'll press F10 and F10. Now the condition is 10, so it will fill. So we can see that this array is now filled on all of its 10 positions. Now we can see that the index becomes 11. So if 11 is less than equal to 10, this condition fails and it will come out of loop. Now it will not go inside loop because the condition doesn't satisfied here, and this program ends finally. You can see the job log as well. you can see that this test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gets printed in the yaw log as well. So this is the basic example of runtime array in RPG AS400. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.